Hi, this is Lindsay from Giada, and now I'm going to introduce you guys our very hot selling model DNA4. On top of these models, we have three variants, as you can see here, and this model is based on the 35 RK35 76 processors with 6 TOPS NPUs and 2 HDMI outputs. And for the variant version, the A means we are optional. We can support 1 HDMI in. For the E version, it means you can support PoE in functions. And for the I version, it's sort of like functions to upscale the video content above 360p to 4K. This range content, upscale them to 4K. So for this product, it's a hit since its launch. So I believe I think that's it for this product, and you can check more details on our website on LinkedIn.